Learn English to Gujarati job skills vocabulary, qualification to
yogyatā.
Welcome to your career words adventure. Hey, you are about to learn useful Gujarati words for jobs, skills, and sounding smart in 2 languages. And yes, we will do it without making your brain file a formal complaint. Today you will learn 8 powerful words: qualification, competence, ability, knowledge, experience, routine, specialization, and suitability. In Gujarati, these are
લાયકાત, ક્ષમતા,
again for ability,
જ્ઞાન, અનુભવ, નિયમિત ક્રમ, વિશેષતા,
and
યોગ્યતા.
think of them as the dream team for interviews, study, and everyday confidence. Meet the words. Let us meet your new vocabulary like they are guests at a very serious party where one cat somehow got invited. Qualification is
લાયકાત,
this job requires a special.
લાયકાત,
Competence is
ક્ષમતા,
her.
ક્ષમતા,
Impressed the team. Ability is also
ક્ષમતા,
she has the
ક્ષમતા,
to solve hard problems. Knowledge is
જ્ઞાન,
books can give us.
જ્ઞાન,
Experience is
અનુભવ,
she has a lot of work.
અનુભવ,
Routine is
નિયમિત ક્રમ,
a good
નિયમિત ક્રમ,
makes work easier. Specialization is
વિશેષતા,
her.
વિશેષતા,
Is child psychology. Suitability is
યોગ્યતા,
we checked the candidates.
યોગ્યતા.
A very funny job interview. Now imagine you are in a job interview. Unfortunately, a cat in glasses is also there, and it is extremely confident. Manager, do you have the right
લાયકાત,
for this job? You, yes, I have the required.
લાયકાત.
Also, unlike the cat, I did not print my diploma on a napkin. Manager, excellent. And what about your?
ક્ષમતા,
You, my,
ક્ષમતા,
has grown with practice. Cat, meow, my special.
ક્ષમતા,
Is opening snack boxes at midnight. Manager, impressive, but we also need.
જ્ઞાન,
You, I gained.
જ્ઞાન,
From study and from asking questions. Manager, do you have?
અનુભવ,
You, yes, I have work.
અનુભવ,
And every mistake taught me something. Manager, nice. Do you follow a good?
નિયમિત ક્રમ,
You, yes, my morning.
નિયમિત ક્રમ,
Starts early and keeps me organized. Manager, what is your?
વિશેષતા,
You, my.
વિશેષતા,
Is data analysis. Manager, final question. Do you have the right?
યોગ્યતા,
For this role? You, yes, I believe my skills.
અનુભવ,
And attitude show real.
યોગ્યતા,
Cat, I have emotional.
યોગ્યતા.
For napping professionally. Memory tricks that actually stick. Let us make these words memorable. Your memory likes drama, pictures, and slightly ridiculous scenes. Picture a golden certificate for.
લાયકાત,
Qualification is formal proof. Stand like a superhero for.
ક્ષમતા,
Competence and ability both use this word. Imagine a glowing book for.
જ્ઞાન,
Knowledge lights the mind. See a scrapbook full of life lessons for.
અનુભવ,
Experience is knowledge you have lived. Picture a calendar repeating the same morning steps for.
નિયમિત ક્રમ,
Routine is repeated order. Imagine one bright door in a university hall labeled.
વિશેષતા,
Specialization means deep focus in one field. Now imagine a key that fits one perfect lock. That is.
યોગ્યતા,
Suitability means the right fit. Quick practice drill. Your turn. I say the English word and you try the Gujarati word before I do. Qualification.
લાયકાત,
Competence.
ક્ષમતા,
Ability.
ક્ષમતા,
Knowledge.
જ્ઞાન,
Experience.
અનુભવ,
Routine.
નિયમિત ક્રમ,
Specialization.
વિશેષતા,
Suitability.
યોગ્યતા.
Mini quiz time. Let us test your brain gently. No stress. The cat is also taking the quiz, and frankly, expectations are low. What is the Gujarati word for qualification?
લાયકાત.
What word means competence or ability?
ક્ષમતા.
What is the Gujarati word for knowledge?
જ્ઞાન.
What is the Gujarati word for experience?
અનુભવ.
Which phrase means routine?
નિયમિત ક્રમ.
Which word means specialization?
વિશેષતા.
Which word means suitability?
યોગ્યતા.
Use them in real life. Now let us sound natural. These are the kinds of sentences you can actually use. This job requires a special
લાયકાત.
her.
ક્ષમતા.
Impressed the team. He has the
ક્ષમતા.
to learn quickly. Good teachers share.
જ્ઞાન.
Years of work gave her.
અનુભવ.
My morning
નિયમિત ક્રમ.
starts at 6. Her
વિશેષતા.
is design. The company checked his
યોગ્યતા.
for the role. Friendly conclusion. Nicely done. You just learned a strong set of English to Gujarati career words, and your vocabulary is already looking more professional than that cat's resume. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing.
લાયકાત. ક્ષમતા. જ્ઞાન. અનુભવ. નિયમિત ક્રમ. વિશેષતા.
And
યોગ્યતા.
out loud. Repeat them tomorrow, use them in a sentence, and trust your progress. You are doing great.